Come on.
He's camera shy.
Who knows? You have to be quick, Abigail.
Taking a video.
Oh.
I am smart like that.
He's putting it on
Doing?
camera.
For God's sake, Popeye. Wherever he can wipe his beak, he'll wipe it.
Let's get about more now.
Yeah, apparently it's only when they're in aviaries, you know, with other birds, that they pick up diseases and pick up nasty infections and things.
It's like kids in nursery, isn't it?
Close,
We need to speak in private. It's alright, he's with me. James is in danger. Sanchez is no fool. He's checking up on him.
Anyway, do you like it for a change?
It's alright.
It's Bramley apple.
They're nice.
Nice, isn't it? Chuck it on the floor.
You're right, I don't want any cake, he's just nipping at cream.
Cream.